Multiply 30 by 390 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 9. Start one place to the left. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 3 is 27. The second partial product is 2,700. Now use the hundreds digit, 3. Start two places to the left. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. The third partial product is 9,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 7 plus 0 is 7. In the thousands column, 2 plus 9 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, the carried 1 is 1. The product of the whole numbers is 11,700. So 30 times 390 is 11,700.